you're not a trained singer. You've not taken classical training.
How I have learned over the years, शुरू में बिल्कुल मैं तो मैं एक जगह में खड़े होकर गाता था, मतलब कॉलेज के डेज में, I used to sing. गाता मैं तभी भी था. I used to sing Billy Joel, Guns N' Roses, everything. Now I sense a level of confidence. It's a different high, Farid. I can't explain to you. It's like you're on stage and you are just looking at people who have come to listen to you. So many people. Hi, this is KK and you're watching Bollywood Hungama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
You've also told me a long time back that you're not a trained singer. You've not taken classical training.
Yeah.
What has been the contribution of the fact that you've been a very prolific performer in shows and your early stint as far as advertising goes? Because I'm sure that must have given you a lot of experience of how to function on a mic in a studio and how your voice sounds after modulation and how much you have to throw and what is it that you need to maybe precise about certain things, what is it that you need to edit out of your system. How much has been the contribution of your performance, being a performing artist, and your early stint in advertising, in just framing your voice, the way the structure is?
Advertising also was in a recording studio. Okay?
Right.
So a studio is a very controlled environment, whether it's advertising, whether you're doing songs, films. It's a very controlled environment, and you have the ability to retake if you're not happy with whatever you've done. Live music is very different. It's very field driven. It's bigger in the sense there's an audience there. You're not singing. When you're creating a song, you could be just singing it for maybe 2-3 people in a studio, and that's the creative, is a fountainhead, and its ideas are forming. और वो ये जो गाना मैं record करूँगा, this will set a kind of a tonality for people to listen for maybe generations. Like for example, a pal, okay, or a taraf ke. When I recorded it, there was a certain emotion which I recorded there, and that set that whole space for it, and it grew from there. In a live situation is very different. It's like you look at people, you react more, people around you, and you take on from them. Sometimes you change something while singing. It's very different. But if you say कि how I have learned over the years, पहले मैं शुरू में बिल्कुल तो मैं एक जगह में खड़े होकर गाता था, मतलब कॉलेज के डेज में, I used to sing. गाता मैं तभी भी था. I used to sing Billy Joel, Guns N' Roses, everything. Sting. Now I sense a level of confidence. I feel like the stage is something which I own, which I walk into for the next 2-3 hours. It's mine, and from here there's an energy transference that's going to happen to all these thousands of people who are listening to me, and they're going to connect to me soul to soul. It's a different high, Farid. I can't explain to you. It's like you're on stage and you are just looking at people who have come to listen to you. So many people. तुम्हें लगता है यार कि thank you God. For giving me that this connect with an audience who love my songs. But when you're singing in a studio, it's very spiritual, I would say. That space is very, very different. It's like you yourself. It's a very daunting task at times, I would say. Mahesh Bhatt ji saying, यार KK तू अकेले करके गाते हो तुम singers, must be a very daunting thing, which is rightfully said, because you have this whole song with so many lyrics, with so many lines to sing, and on film, a portion of the film is riding on that emotion which you're putting into that song.
Right.
I don't think like that, because then you'll become very weighed down. Oh, बहुत भार है. नहीं. You are in the wheel, just making the motion. So you go with the motion. You say, Acha, this is my song, and I'm going to do this, and I'm going to just enjoy the next 2 hours, this life that I have. And then, if it becomes a hit later on, I'll be singing the same song for thousands of people in different concerts over the world. All these thoughts don't come. I'm saying कि ये जो होता है ना, ये एक बड़ा subtle process होता है. So for me, technique, if you say, on stage is very different because you hold a different mic and you're belting it out. My songs are very high pitch also. In a studio is different, but there are certain things which I don't do. For example, drink anything cold. और तली हुई चीज़ें नहीं खा रही, मतलब शो से पहले या रिकॉर्डिंग से पहले वैसे खा लो. ऐसे नहीं कि you deny yourself things that you want to do in life. But when you're going to do some creative process, you just need to make sure the physical side is good. अगर आपने कहीं पहुंचना है, अगर आप गाड़ी में फ्यूल नहीं डालोगे, तेल नहीं डालोगे, घटघुट करके रुक जाएगा, तो फिर तुम पहुंच नहीं पाओगे. I also feel like that. I have to make sure that my system is good so that I can do the best. It's like I want to eat a heavy meal. If I eat a heavy meal and go, then I can't breathe deep. So shallow breaths means I will be able to sing with enough energy. So I would skip lunch if I'm recording an early, like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I'll have a brunch, and I won't eat anything for that much time. Even recording shows also, I don't eat because कभी मैं लंच के बाद कुछ नहीं खाता हूँ पूरी पूरी रात, फिर रात को वापस आके कुछ हल्का खा लेता हूँ, क्योंकि यार शो के वक्त भी ना सेम ही होता है, एनर्जी बहुत चाहिए होती है, खाना चाहिए होता है, लेकिन ये जो एरिया होता है ना, दिस शुड बी ready to take on that breath energy which you need to generate for the next 2 hours. So these are something which I've learned in the last 23 years of my existence as a singer. Certain do's and don'ts which I stick by. It has helped me. Maybe it will help some other people. Maybe it not. A lot of people like to eat and go. हाँ, मेरे दोस्त हैं कहीं वो सिगरेट भी मार के जाते हैं. मैं तो स्मोक नहीं कर सकता, मेरे गला खराब हो जाएगा. I've never smoked. But I'm saying I know a lot of people who smoke and go and belt it out and crack the whip. Each one to himself.
Right.
So for me, this has worked. Hi, this is KK and you're watching Bollywood Hungama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.